गोवा 365च्या कोंकणी खबराचित्रांत येवकार हांव भक्ती पै बाळगी. पळयात खबरो विस्तारान. गोंय प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळान ड्रीम स्कायलायन सोसायटींतलो सिवरेज प्रक्रिया प्रकल्प सील केलो. योग्य वेवस्थापन आनी नितळसाणी विशीं कागाळी येवपाक लागिल्ल्यान प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळान हो निर्णय घेतला.
गोंय प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळाच्या ह्या आदेशाक सोसायटीच्या लोकांनी येवकार दिला. सिवरेज प्रक्रिया प्रकल्पांतल्यान येवपी वासाक लागून सोसायटींतल्या लोकांक बरोच त्रास जातालो. स्कायलायन सोसायटींतल्या सिवरेज प्रक्रिया प्रकल्पाचो प्रस्न सुटावो जायना ते मेरेन थळाव्या प्रशासनान हो कोयर नावेलच्या प्रकल्पात व्हरचो असो आदेशय प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळान दिला.
But this Mamladar have taken a good action and the AC1 also have taken a good action. आणि आम्ही हॅपी आहे.
कित्या खातीर घातले तुमी केसी?
तेंगेले SPP हा that is without the consent of the Goa Pollution Board. So Goa Pollution Board have directed them to transport the sewage to SPP Naveli and until then rectify the situation. But they have not obeyed the direction. That's why Goa Pollution Board have directed the collector to seal the STP.
ह्या हेतून किती वास येतालो तुमकां, किती त्रास जाताले?
हिंगा आमकां रावपाक जायना, राती किमसां वास येता सगळो. कित्याक इट इज मेंटेनन्सूय जायना तेजें मेंटेनन्सूय जायना आनी चेअरमॅन आहा तो फक्त लोकांचे मेंटेनन्सा पयशे काडटा, कांय करना इतलें
म्हणून तुमी केस घातले?
आमी केस घातली.
आज हॅप्पी आसा तुमी?
आज तेमी ते केल्या आनी तेंका सांगलां विथीन 7 days रिपोर्ट दिवचो.
आमकां त्रास जातले म्हूण आमी सोसायटी इनफ टायम दिलो. 2019 फेस्ता दिसा कंप्लेन रेज केल्ले. आयज 2 years कंप्लीट जाताय पूण सोसायटीन अजून सोसायटी फेलियर जाली. अजून पासून कांय एक्शन घेयल ना. ओनली दे आर क्वेश्चनिंग अबाउट द मेंटेनन्स. पोतून मेंटेनन्स हांव फारीक कोत्ताय. हांव प्रॉब्लेम ना मेंटेनन्स पूण तुमकां प्रॉपर सर्विसूय दिवपाक जाय न्हू. ती सर्वीस दिवपाक सोसायटी फेल जाली. आमी जाय तें सोंसलें पूण तें कांयच फायदो जालो ना तेचो. म्हणल्यार हो STP जो वास येता तो आमकां सगळ्यांक हेल्थ हॅझर्ड्सा प्रॉब्लेम जाता. तेका लागून आमी हे कंप्लेन रेज केला.
गोवा 365 खातीर नावेलच्यान रमेश नायक रावत.
पणजेच्या मळो वाठारांत पेट्रोल पंपा लागसारचे बेकायदेशीर बांदकाम पणजे महानगरपालिकेन मोडून उडयलें. महानगरपालिकेचे हे कारवायेचेर थळाव्या नागरिकांनी खोस उक्तायल्या. महत्वाची गजाल म्हळ्यार पणजे महानगरपालिकेक ह्या बेकायदेशीर बांदकामाचेर कारवाय करपाक 15 वर्सां लागलीं.
नवे पुलाचें काम चालू आसा. ताका जोड रस्तो दिवपाच्या कामात आडखळ थारता म्हूण हो स्क्रॅपयार्ड मोडून उडयला आसूंये असो दुबाव आसा. ना जाल्यार कसलोच परवानो नासतना बेकायदेशीरपणान उबारिल्लो हो स्क्रॅपयार्ड कोणाच्या आशिर्वादान इतली वर्सां चालू आसतलो असोय प्रस्न निर्माण जाता.
This is a scrapyard which is existing in the last 15 years or more with an illegal structure without any approval, permissions or any sanctions. And they are a source of nuisance and they were in the road widening area for new bridge. There were complaints, there were attempts. Earlier they had demolished it, they came back again. They demolished it from here, came back again. So now they are removing them completely from here. Hearings are to be conducted. So it takes its own time. Then there are vacations, then there are various court holidays, so it takes its time.
Even there is a one small house.
They converted it into a house. This was an illegal structure.
So everything is illegal here.
Everything is illegal.
So this would be cleaned up now?
Yes. The road widening is coming here now. The bridge.
Taka laga to nikalna ho pehle.
No, they are illegal. We removed it because it's illegal.
It's illegal.
Yeah.
So this is a government property or
Private.
private property? CCP property?
No, private.
Private property. Any more illegalities happening?
No other scrapyard. This is the only.
Illegal structure is there in Panjim where CCP will take the action on
We
it.
have taken already the entire last week. We demolished 2-3 structures.
From
Various balconies, structure already demolished in and around our jurisdiction. We can give you the list of the structures that we already demolished.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान इर्शाद शेख.
गोंयांत फाटल्या 24 वरांत 36 नव्या कोरोना केशींची नोंद जाली. जाल्यार कोरोनाक लागून एक्काय दुयेंतीक मरण येवंक ना. 29 जावन बरे जावन घरा गेले.
मरप्यांचो एकूण आंकडो 3376 चेर पावलो. फाटले 24 वरांत 2753 जाणांचो कोरोना अहवाल तपाशिल्ले. 5 दुयेंतींक हॉस्पिटलांत भरती केल्यात. एक्टिव्ह केशींचो आंकडो 259 चेर पावलो. कोरोनाचे प्रमाण उणे जाल्ले असले तरी दर दिसा दुयेंती मेळत आसता. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोवा 365.
आतां घेवया एक ल्हानसो विसव. विसवा उपरांत येवकार पळोवया उरिल्ल्यो खबरो. हांव वेंचणुकेक उबो रावतलों. भाजपाच्या तिकेटीचेर कांय ना तें अजून ठरोवंक ना. पूण लोकांच्या खोशये खातीर हांव वेंचणुकेक उबो रावतलों हें नक्कीच. टिटोस क्लबाचो धनी रिकार्डो डिसोजान जाहीर केला. आपलो राजकी फुडार जाहीर करतना रिकीन यू टर्न घेतला. आपले टिटोस विकले ना. ते विकपाचो म्हजो विचार आशिल्लो, पूण गोंयकाराच्या मोगा खातीर म्हाका तो निर्णय बदलचो पडलो.
कांय म्हयन्या आदीं रिकीन टिटोजाचो सगळो वेवसाय विकून लंडन सेटल जाता अशें जाहीर केल्लें. सरकारी अधिकारी आनी NGO आपली सतवणूक करतात देखून हो निर्णय घेतिल्ल्याचें ताणें त्या वेळार सांगिल्लें. तशेंच कांय दिसां उपरांत ताणें राजकारणांत प्रवेश करपाचो हावेसय उक्तायल्लो. भाजपाचे तिकेटीचेर वेंचणूक लडोवपाची इत्सा उलोवन दाखयल्ली. सरकारी अधिकाऱ्याक उजरावन काडटना ताणें लोकांक फुकट फ्लॅट दिवपाचें आस्वासन दिल्लें. फुकट फ्लॅट हो वेंचणुकेचो जुमला न्हय अशें ताचें म्हणणें. गोवा 365 खातीर बागांतल्यान समीप नार्वेकार आनी संदीप कामुलकार.
Will enter my vision. I'll give you an example. In the past, our ancestors left us the Comunidad system. You all agree it's a good system?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what do we have for the future? We are losing our land to Delhi builders, Bombay builders, Hyderabad, wherever. What do you as Goans have for the future? So, hence my thing is one free apartment to each family in Kalangut, Kandolim, whatever, my constituency. One free apartment to each. Now people ask me, how are you going to give that free apartment? To present MLA and ex-MLA made a statement, it's not possible. I'm saying it's possible. Now how is it possible? You've all seen slum redevelopment in Bombay. That was free apartments given to slum dwellers. If you can give free apartments to slum dwellers, why can't we give it to our own people? Building wants to come into Goa, Kalangut, say, to build. We are saying to you, don't come unless the people are happy. Now, why am I saying? Because you're taking from the people. You're taking electricity. You're taking water. More congestion on the road. More pollution. Why should the people put up with all of this and to have a new hotel if the people are not benefiting? So my thing is, give 30% at least directly to the people. Don't bribe the MLA of the area, don't bribe the sarpanch, don't bribe the punch, don't bribe the BDO, PDA. You all know there's a lot of corruption. If you're telling me there is no corruption, you're blind.
So MLA and Sarpanch is accepting the bribe.
All over India.
But certainly Kalangut MLA and
All over India, I'll say. See, my vision is to change Kalangut and I benefit the people of Kalangut. Hence, I want one free I need political power to achieve the free apartments. If you're asking that question, you have still not understood how the apartments are
So
going
because
to come.
this thing is a mere election promise to win the election is the problem. Empty promise or like. So how it is serious?
Listen, there's a hard logic behind that. Our people have been taken for a ride day in, day out. Unless you understand the logic I'm speaking, and there's a hard logic behind that. How is this apartment going to come? It's going to come from the builder. How is your free electricity going to come? It's going to come from the taxes that the non-Goans pay to the panchayat. There's a hard logic. Please understand that logic, and I'm asking everyone to look into the logic. It is doable. You are bought sometimes for 5,000 or 10,000 rupees. And after that, that MLA makes the money and builds his castles, his hotels, his farms and everything. And then you'll glorify these people, say, they're so rich. But this is the money of the people. So far, I am on my own. I want to see which party has my own vision. I've always been with the BJP in the past. But I also now want somebody who has my own vision. Otherwise, what's the point of me spending time here and wasting time? The world is big. The world, we are doing business worldwide. Why?
Has the BJP something promised you?
I wouldn't get into that at the moment because obviously Michael is their MLA.
So
they have
there's
to
a
sort out their own
controversy with
problems
Michael and the
first.
BJP right now. So the Michael is leaving, there's a confusion. So in that confusion, has the BJP High Command leaders have met you about your plans or because you have met them in past also.
I think this meeting, if I may pardon, is about the 50th year celebration of Tito's, not about BJP and Michael and whoever. So I think you should cool down a little bit.
So
This shows that David really doesn't like politics.
I'm not interested in politics.
You're right. And
You
my
keep on
family,
asking
my
about politics,
mom,
is not gonna
my
happen.
mom and him are dead against me joining
That's why I never do
politics.
interviews.
Dealing with medicines and doctors, anything can go wrong, and especially you're dealing with the life. So how are you going to deal with accusations that might come up on you regarding you playing with people's life if they are being provided with medicines which are expired or something like that? How are you going to deal with that?
See, this pharma major, which we will disclose who they are world class. They are one of the biggest in India. They are all over the world. Give you a hint, they are going. And I trust them. Eventually, you go to a pharmacy, you have to check what you're buying. I'm sure the people are not that silly that they won't check. And we will have our own safeguards and checks. On my statement, we are discussing the sale of Tito's, and we were in very detailed and very late discussions with the people to buy. So a lot of, obviously there was other people who claimed that Tito's is going to shut down. Why, even if somebody who had bought it, why would Tito's shut down? Why would we shut down? Why would the new owners also shut down? So a lot of misreporting has happened.
It was just rumor.
Repeatedly pointed out how this deputy collector by the name of Shetty harassed us. It is on my Facebook, the proof is there. Either the guy doesn't know his job or he was corrupt. Now you can decide which, both are bad. Either if you don't know your job, you shouldn't be running anything in Goa. You're harming business. Today our army is fighting China at the border. Where does the money come from? It comes from business. These people are anti-national. They should be destroyed, according to me. We are all sleeping and sitting here very quietly. Nobody is bombing us. No terrorists are bombing. Why? Because the Indian army is fighting at the border to keep us safe. Who funds the Indian army? Yours and my taxes fund the Indian army. Look, we are nationalists first and
मडगांवां वर्साचे 12 म्हयने रस्ते जाम असतात. तातूंत आतां भर म्हणून मडगांव पालिकेच्या सामकार रस्तो आडावन मनीस निर्मिती स्ट्रीट जाम केल्लो पळोवपाक मेळटा. मडगांवच्या लोकांनी ह्या प्रकाराचो निशेध केला.
कोरोना महामारीक लागून ह्या वर्सा मडगांवांत दिंडीय काडूंक ना. फाटले कितलेशेच वर्साची परंपरा आशिल्ली दिंडी जर रद्द जाता जाल्यार संस्कृताये कडेन मातय संबंद नाशिल्ले आनी येरादारेक आडखळ हाडपी अशी कार्यावळी कित्याक जातात? लोकांनी प्रस्न उपरासला.
आज मडगांवान एक इव्हेंट घडोवन हाडला आनी तो इव्हेंट म्हणल्यार कितें, रोड ब्लॉक करून मडगांव म्युनिसिपल कावन्सिलाच्या बिल्डिंगाच्या समोर जो रोड आसा, 2 लेन आसा, ते दोनूय लेन ब्लॉक करून एक इव्हेंट ऑर्गनायज करता थिंगा. स्ट्रीट जॅम म्हण डान्स कॉम्पिटिशन एक ऑर्गनायज केल्लो आसा. आनी आज दिंडी आनीक सांगपा म्हणल्यार इवन जो ट्रेडिशनल प्रोसेशन आशिल्लो दिंडीचो तो देखून ऑर्गनायझरांनी कॅन्सल केल्लो आसा ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ कोवीड. आनी हांगा वो डान्स कॉम्पिटिशन हाडटा वीच हॅज नो रिलेशन एब्सोल्युटली विथ द ट्रेडिशनल सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ दिंडी. वो सडनली एक तयार जाता, रोड ब्लॉक जाता, एंटायर मारगांवचे ट्रॅफिक जॅम जाता. आज दिसभर सांगपा म्हळ्यार ट्रॅफिक इतले मॅस जाल्ले, सगळ्या वटेन जॅम जाल्ले, कित्याक म्युनिसिपालिटी मुखार जो 2 लेन आसा ते ब्लॉक करून ट्रॅफिक डायवर्ट जावपाक लागले. आनी त्या कारणान एंटायर सिटी एरियांतले हार्ट ऑफ द सिटी रोड सगळे जॅम जाल्ले. आनी एज इट इज सांगपा म्हळ्यार मडगांवां ट्रॅफिक जॅम इज अ ट्रेडिशनल आस्पेक्ट म्हळ्यार जाता. 24/7 जॅम्स आसताच ट्रॅफिक जॅम. तितून हे एडिशन तुमी हाडटात हें म्हाका कांय समजुकाय मेळना. सांगपा म्हळ्यार हाजेर आमकां एक स्टेटमेंट काडपाक कारण म्हळ्यार कितें की वी ऑल्सो कन्सल्टेड आवर हिंदू ब्रदर्स because we did not, Shadow Council, we did not want to be seen as making statements on some religious function. But even they agree that this has no relation whatsoever with the traditional Dindi festival. In fact, many of my Hindu brothers have directly said that this is sort of westernization of the Dindi festival, the traditional Dindi festival that used to happen in Margao. And I am personally very sad that my MLA, my representative from Margao, is supporting such a event by blocking the road and creating so much of hardships to the people. And I can't understand how permission by the collector or by the municipality could be given for this event on the road. And secondly, our city fathers are causing such hardships to the people by blocking the road, blocking the traditional access, vehicular traffic movement getting hampered, which should not happen. I hope such things don't repeat. In fact, if it was a traditional thing, we could understand. Even when events for carnival are being organized near Ravindra Bhavan, we hear such hue and cry on such events. And here in the heart of the city, when knowing well that so much of traffic jams take place, you are titling it also as Madgaon jam, street jam, and my MLA supporting this. At least I don't accept it, and it should not repeat, at least in future. This is something very wrong on the part of whoever is responsible for organizing such an event.
आयज आमगेलो म्हणल्यार आयज व्हिडिओ करपा कारण कितें मडगांव गेल्लो आतां कार घेवन थंय आख्खे ट्रॅफिक जाम आसता. एक्चुअली कितें हो प्रॉब्लम डेलीचो इश्यू आमगे वर्सा 12 म्हणून मडगांव ट्रॅफिक जाम आसताच. आनी आतां हे दुसरें कितें येयलां स्ट्रीट जाम म्हूण. सो कल्चरल हितून पासून बसना तें कल्चरल जी आमगे आसलेली दिंडी आसली आनी कितें कितें फंक्शन आसली ती सगळीं कॅन्सल जाले. आनी हे दुसरो कोण स्ट्रीट जाम म्हणून हो रस्तो ब्लॉक केला आनी लोकांगे इतू राज पडलो आसा थिंगा आतां गाडी वचपाक डायवर्ट केला. म्हाका खबर ना हें करपाक परमिशन कोण दिता आनी लोकांक कितें हॅरेस कोताय म्हणून. लोकांनी टॅक्स पे करपाचें टॅक्स भरपाचें ट्रॅफिकूय सोंसपाचें ऑलरेडी एन्क्रोचमेंट करून सगळें जाम केलो आहा आनी हो न्यू एक जाम जाल्लो स्ट्रीट जाम म्हणून.
गोवा 365 खातीर मडगांवच्यान संदीप तुयेकार.
गडगड आनी वादळी वाऱ्या सयत गोंयांत 18 आनी 19 वेर पावस हजेरी लावपाक येतलो. जाल्यार 19 आनी 20 तारखेक पावसाचो जोर वाडपाक शकता. हवामान खात्यान अदमास उक्तायला.
महाराष्ट्राच्या दर्यादेगेर मध्य पूर्व अरेबी दर्यांत उण्या दाबाचो पट्टो तयार जाल्ल्यान पावसा खातीर पोशाक वातावरण तयार जाल्ल्याचें हवामान खात्यान म्हटलां.
आनी आयचे हे कोंकणी खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. कोरोनाच्या फाटभुंयेर घेवया जतनाय, वापरुया मास्क, दवरुया सोशल डिस्टन्स आनी सांबाळुया भलायकी. मेळुया परत फाल्यां ह्याच वेळार पळोवपाक गोवा 365 मोग आसचो.